To clean speakers on Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open the Phone Manager app on your device. It is a pre-existing app on Realme 16 Pro, so you can find it in all of the devices. Just look for this specific app and open it. After that, we'll be able to scroll down and select the tools right here. Click on More, and then we can navigate down and look for a speaker cleaner. If we select this option, don't click on Start instantly. This will be very loud, so if you click on Start, your speakers will basically start blasting a sound that is very loud to remove any water or any dust from it. So what you can do is grab your phone, and if you're ready, click on that Start button. So I will do it in 3 seconds. Make sure to lower a volume for this video. Now we can start shaking our device. Make sure to shake it and point the speakers downwards. And after the process is done, I'm not gonna wait till it's done. Your speakers should be cleaner. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.